buy some own weapons?
Samuel Stollinger? Max ammo! To build an energy conduit to power the tower, you can only source from this location.
Key's probably important.
Show us that we have not used or have access.
Want a bottle? Huh? Nice, pretty bottle? Is this what you want? Is it? I can do this. You'll help us out, right?
It's always something.
Oh, you know not to bite the hand that feeds you.
Perfect! Or guillotine!
Oh, pretty careful what you put in your body now. Believe me, I know. Is this what you want? Is it?
Nah, I'm leaving this here. Works for me. I'm really not sure what that meant.
So why doesn't my German pal just go?